Good evening.
Thank you for staying late today. Okay guys, the annual statement financial statement must be submitted tomorrow morning. Remember, these reports are not merely administrative agreements. They represent our organization balanced performance, accountability, and credibility.
I agree, Alia. The statement will be used by management, auditor, and external stakeholder. So, of course, therefore, accuracy and compliance with accounting standard are essential in this process.
Honestly, I'm very nervous today, guys, because this is my first time being involved in the final preparation, and I don't want to make any mistake. However, I have collected transaction data from all departments, input, cash flow, asset, and expenses.
From the budgeting perspective, I'm also reconciling the actual realization with the initial budget allocation. We need to ensure any variance that can be clearly explained to the management letter.
That's completely understandable, Monica. I encourage you to speak up whenever you are unsure. This is a team effort. Before we proceed further, let us highlight our understanding that the preparation must be transparent and in accordance with applicable standards.
In my opinion, our biggest challenge is not about how we are technical recording of the number, but it's also about how we are maintaining consistently in accurate accounting standard under the client pressure. Because sometimes there is pressure to make the report look better than the action.
I agree. There is often a misconception that a good financial report is one that shows positive result. In reality, a good report is one that reflects the true financial condition, even if the results are not ideal.
Exactly, guys. From an analytic the point of view, even these small errors can significantly affect how management our financial perform in this business. For instance, I noticed the accounts receivable balance is a relative high this year, which requires an additional explanatory notes.
From an audit perspective, a good financial statement is not one without finding, but one that is honest, traceable, and supported by adequate evidence. Internal control exists to prevent errors before they become serious problems.
Guys, talk about evidence. I'd like to mention something. In my opinion, I may have misclassified some logistic expense as administrative costs.
That could affect the margin analysis. Before that, let's review the document together.
Okay, let's go. I think this one. Yes.
Okay. I've identified the issue. One logistic invoice was recorded under the wrong account and need to be reclassified immediately.
Thank you for pointing that out, Monica. I invite everyone to commit to preparing this statement with integrity and transparency. We should not be afraid of imperfect numbers as long as they are honest. I encourage transparency rather than overly optimistic assumption.
Guys, I think we should focus more on the operation in the cash flow. And then I'd like everyone to take one look at this session. In this session, since management is quite concerned about the liquidity.
Sir, guys, I believe teamwork is the key of this very considerable financial statement. And I urge everyone to strengthen our communication because any issue can be solved together and it's about the opening.
I feel much more confident now. Thank you guys to your guidance. I am committed to ensuring that all reports are accurate because reliable statements start with proper process.
Okay, after our review final, I believe the financial statement is now complete with accounting standard. And then let's use this report as a foundation for improving our governance long term.
Okay, everything is done, guys. I have also sent our report. Thanks for our teamwork.
Thanks, guys.